Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Joby here. If you are new, welcome. Today's video is about cooking. We are going to cook 3 easy meals, guys. So let's get started. Hello guys, so let us going to prepare food, guys. Okay, so I'm going to prepare three types, guys, of meal. I will show you guys. Okay guys, so we are going to cook, guys, this one eggplant lasagna. So we have these 4 eggplants. It depends if maybe a lot, maybe I'm going to use maybe 3 only. Yes, so we have these eggplants, these 400 grams of minced meat, guys, minced meat or ground meat. Yes, this one is mixed pork and beef. So we need onion and we need tomato sauce. So that's one. So this is for our lunch, maybe tomorrow or the next day. And then we are going to prepare this egg tuna sandwich. Okay guys, so I'm going to make the fillings. So we need 6 eggs and 2 small tins of tuna. Yes, so that's another one. And we are going to make also potato omelette. So we need 1.5 onion. So it depends, guys. If the onion is big, then you need 1 only. Yes, but because mine is medium, so I need 1.5. And potatoes and the eggs are here. Yes, and I wanted to cook carbonara as well, guys, but because this week we ate carbonara, so I'm in doubt if I'm going to cook carbonara this week, but I have the ingredients. That's why, guys, for the meantime, I'm going to cook these 3. Yes, guys, because the egg tuna, guys, the egg tuna is for breakfast or for lunch or snacks, something like that, or for dinner. Yes, and this one also is for dinner. But the other one, the eggplant lasagna, is for lunch. Okay guys, so let's get started. So I'm going to start with this one, guys, because this one is easy. Yes, and then after that, this one's, because I'm going to bake the eggplants. Okay guys, so let's start with the eggs. And now this one, guys, are hard boiled. I boiled them already earlier. So let's peel the shell, guys, of course. Ayan na, guys, tapos na siya. And now, guys, we are going to cut this into half and take out the yellow part or the egg yolk. Okay, and then we are going to chop it finely. So we're going to throw away the yellow part, guys, because I'm not going to eat, or the kids not going to eat. And now, guys, we're going to chop it finely. Yes.
Here I am again, outside your door. My heart in my hands. Here I am.
And now guys, we're going to drain the oil. Now just pour it in. And now let's pour black pepper, guys. And pinch of salt. I think a little bit more. Yes. And olive oil. And mix it. Now taste test. Konti lang. Now guys, taste test. So yummy. And now I will keep it, guys. And now to the fridge. And now I'm washing the things I used. Every time I cook, guys, after cooking or while cooking, I wash them. And now guys, it's time to cook the lasagna. And now I am peeling the onion, and then after peeling, chopping it finely.
So I can say a spade's a spade.
And now the frying pan is enough hot, so let's pour some oil. Then throw in the onion. Then add in the mincemeat. Once the mincemeat is already cooked, and then we have to pour in the bottle of tomato sauce. Let's put the tomato sauce. Then add salt to taste. And then we have to add in black pepper. Okay na siya, guys. And now we're going to prepare these eggplants. Now guys, it's time to wash the eggplants. So we are going to take this out, guys, and also the tip part, guys, and then slice it thinly like this. Still, I'm gonna get through to you. Yeah, if it's the last thing I'll ever do, I'm gonna get through to you. I think only 3, guys. We need only 3. Yes, look at this. A lot already, right? Look at that. Yes. And now we need this tray, guys. Yeah, baking tray. We need this baking tray. So what are we going to do is we are going to arrange these, guys, like this. Yeah, can you see it, guys? Can you see it, guys? How I am doing it? Yes, like this. And like that. And then guys, we are going to put this one. We are going to put this mix. And now and then guys, we are going to do the same process.
Get through to you,
We're going to bake it at 180 degrees for 1 hour guys. Okay, 30 minutes to 1 hour at 180 degrees Celsius. But we are going to cover it guys. And now it's time to prepare the potato omelette. So I am cutting now guys the onion, chopping it finely, and then after that, and then I have to peel the potatoes and cut them into dice. And now I am pouring the olive oil into the pan, and then I put the onion, cooking it until become translucent. After that, followed by the potatoes guys, the diced potatoes.
in together that barely stays afloat while we all discuss the weather. How long can we all go on before we change our ways? How long till the break of dawn? How long till it days?
Now let's add in the diced potatoes. Let's beat 4 eggs and let's add a little bit of salt guys to taste. And then add in the cooked potatoes guys into the beaten eggs, mixed it, and then heat the pan, put some olive oil, and then throw in the mixture. Then you have to wait for 3 to 5 minutes, and then after that you have to put a very big plate and then turn it over. You have to flip it twice guys in order to cook properly. So here is the tuna sandwich guys. This is the only left. And now this is our eggplant lasagna. Look at that, looks really good, right? I'm so excited to have this for tomorrow's lunch. And look at our potato omelette. That looks so good as well. So this is how I make tuna sandwich guys. You just need bread and then put the tuna and then put it into the sandwich maker. Yes guys, it's just easy as that. If you want more tasty, just add cheese guys. It is really good, believe me.
Can it all go on before we change our ways? How long till the break of dawn? How long till...
Thank you so much guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Comment, like, and share. Please subscribe and hope to see you again on the next one. Bye everyone.